Hey, Dr. Chen. Um, so first thing I'm going to do in this one is just talk about publishing to Tableau Public. If you want to publish to Tableau Public, how can I move this thing? You would go to, where's it at? Oh, you can save right here to Tableau Public. And then you just change the workbook title, blah, 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 save. It's computing. And now it's on Tableau Public. You can edit from here too, online. Add favorite. Talk about you could subscribe somewhere. Probably have to add favorite. You could share it. Put it into like code, so it could be on the website. Add the link, and yeah. You show sheets. So it'll be 4 sheets. Be all of them. Shipping costs. Shipping dashboard. Oh, it's actual dashboard. Shipping overview. Yeah. So that's how you publish. We can't publish a server because we don't have credentials for it, but if you want to publish a server, it'd be like the same thing. Just go up top, click publish a server. And then so the second main video talks about is just device dashboards. So talk about you just go here, device preview. You got device types, phone, default, desktop, tablet, the model, so it's specific. You have just a couple models here. You can change the orientation. So usually they said tablet would be landscape, phone, portrait most of the time. So say we're gonna start with tablet, which is generic tablet. Add the layout. It goes over here. And then where's the default dashboard? Oh, I was on the wrong one. But so it goes to default dashboard. We want to see tablet. It's all right here. So they talk about different stuff. Default means like whatever the default was, that's how it's gonna show up on whatever device. But you change it. Fit all means it'll fit all the dimensions. And then fit width means it'll fit the width, but it doesn't adjust the height. So you guys scroll down if you're using it on like a tablet or phone. Custom default is the default layout from before. You do custom, where you could make the tablet, iPhone dashboards however you want. It doesn't have to look exactly like the default, so you could edit stuff here. So I could take this out from here. So in tablet, those filters won't be there, but on the default dashboard, they're still there. And if I want to go back default dashboard, just click default. So when I go back to custom, I gotta make the changes again. So they just talk about best practices for this. And then you go phone. Phone, did it fit with? So you can scroll down, and they took out this. And yeah, and then they talk about you could adjust the height right here. So they adjust the height right here, so you don't really gotta scroll down if you're using a phone. But that's how you would do it. So yeah, so say I take this out, there's nothing there. But if I go back to default, everything's still there. I go back to phone, it's not there anymore. I change this how I want. But as soon as I click default for the layout and then go back to custom, you see default is still here. So I gotta change everything again for just the phone. Doesn't affect tablet, doesn't affect default. But yeah, let me lock that. That's basically it for the devices and stuff. Oh yeah. Thank you. Or there's a JavaScript one, but that was actually really complicated. I didn't really understand it too well, so I'm not going to show it. But that's all I really talked about in the 3 videos. They were short, so thank you.